Hello, it's Sue Whale here from the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. Like, comment and subscribe for more floristry tips and inspiration. So I'm going to show you how you can dry Craspedia, and the principles behind this are the same with drying any flowers that can be air dried. And by air drying I mean flowers that are hung up in a dry, well ventilated area that will dry naturally, usually over 2 to 3 weeks. Now this Craspedia is going to be air dried, and I'm going to air dry it in small bunches. And normally if you have foliage on the stems you remove most of the foliage, but Craspedia is a leafless stem so I don't have to worry about that. But what I do have to worry about are the heads, because the heads are these lovely spherical heads. Now if I put them all together in one big bunch like that to dry, as they dry I will get flat sides on the heads where the 2 heads and the 3 heads are touching. So before I hang them up I'm just going to move them so that none of the heads are touching another head, and that way they will all keep completely spherical. And then once I've done that I'm going to take an elastic band and put the elastic band around the stems. Now the reason I'm using an elastic band and not using string is because as these stems dry and the moisture leaves them, they will shrink. And as they shrink, the elastic band will contract with them, whereas the string won't. And then the danger is that the stems will actually fall out of the string. Once you've made up your bunches, you just need to find a warm, dry, well-ventilated space to hang them up. They should take between 2 to 3 weeks. Like, comment and subscribe for more floristry tips and inspiration.